Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Microsoft Edge on Mac OS. Open Safari browser. Type Edge download in browser search bar. Click Download New Microsoft Edge browser. Click Download. Click Accept and download. Open download file. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Install. Click Close. Click Move to Trash. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.